welcome back to Pro Makeup's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be creating a Onam special look. So this is a step-by-step tutorial where you can follow along with us. All the products will be listed down in the description box so you can see that and follow along to get the achieved look. You can also use this look for any other occasions such as in festivals or any other traditional events. So we hope you enjoyed this video. First we're starting off with the hair by curling the entire hair. Then I'm taking a few sections and I'm back combing it to fix in the clip-in hair extensions. Then I pull back all the hair and I'm going to make a ponytail right in the middle. And I'm going to twist that ponytail and make it into a bun. To keep them secure, I've used some U-pins and slide pins. Then I'm using my fingers to pull back the front portion of the head to give it a messy look.
First we are starting up with the primer on the entire face using a buffing brush to make the skin a little softer so the foundation blends very well on the skin. So next I'm using eye primer on the eyelid using a blending brush to avoid the creasing of the eyeshadow. So now I'm applying a foundation using a buffing brush to give extra coverage to the skin. So then I'm using the orange corrector on the pigmented area using a blending brush to correct the undertone of the skin. So now I'm using a concealer on the area wherever I used the orange corrector to cover the entire pigmented area. So now I'm using a translucent powder to set the foundation onto the skin. So next, moving on to the eyes, I'm going to use Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I'm going to use a soft peachy color on the eyelid to brighten up the eyes a bit. So next I'm using slightly a deeper brown again to the crease line to give a little bit of definition to the crease using the same blending brush. So next I'm using a frosty creamy shade on the eyelid using a flat eyeshadow brush to give a little more intense color on the eyelid. So now I'm adding a kajal on the lower eyelid to define the eye shape and to give a little bit of intensity to the eyes. Next I'm using a gel liner. Using an angle brush, I'm creating a wing liner on the eyelid to enhance the eye shape. So now I'm going to fill the eyebrows using eyebrow pencil to define the eyebrow shape. So next I'm adding my favorite part of makeup, which is mascara. So this helps to enhance the eye shape and makes it look more bigger. So next I'm using a deeper brown on the lower eyelid using a pencil brush to give a little more definition to the eyes and to get a bit of a smoky effect to it. Next I'm going to do a contouring using 2 shades darker from your skin tone. So just to add a bit of definition to the face shape, and this gives a bit of dimension to the face. So next I'm going to use a highlighter on the eye planes of the face to give a little bit of enhancement to the face shape. So next I'm adding a peachy blush to the cheek to get a little bit of the fresh look on the cheek. So next I'm going to use a MAC lip primer to prep the lips. So it helps to glide the lip pencil easily on the lip. Next I'm going to use a Kylie lip pencil which is slightly brick orange color to define the lip shape. So next I'm going to use a red lip color from new Nykaa palette to fill up the lip. I'm adding a Becca highlighter to the cheekbone to enhance the cheekbone a little more. So next I'm going to use a Wet n Wild setting spray, which is excellent and I love to use it at the end of every makeup. This basically helps to set the makeup very well.
To finish up the makeup look, we're using a pair of lashes to open up the eyes and to define it more. Then finishing it off with loading the lashes with some mascara. To complete the Kerala look, we're using the jasmine flowers around the bun. We're using some U-pins to secure it into the bun. Now I'm using my fingers to separate the strands at the front to give it a bit of volume and depth and to achieve the entire look.
the final look we have created for you guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. All our links are given in the description box below. So if you guys recreate this look, please tag us on the link below in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and we'll see you soon in the next video.
Bye!